The building blocks of Belt. A guided tour. Belt is the AI-native work management application that meets you where you work, bringing order to the chaotic mix of pre-planned and ad hoc work requests you receive daily, and building a picture of your work from the bottom up that can be used for project management, reporting, and productivity insights. We've accomplished this by crafting our building blocks with care, making sure that every object in Belt represents exactly one real-world object, concept, or action. To understand what this means in practice, let's start with the request. A request represents one party asking another to take an action or complete an objective. You can manually send a request in Belt, but you can also continue to communicate with your colleagues exactly as you do today. And Belt's AI will automatically identify requests from your emails and instant messages. Of course, to turn a request into actual work, you need to action it. You can do this by scheduling an event or a task in response to the request. In Belt, a task simply represents some amount of work that you as an individual have to do, but not the output of that work. Not all tasks produce a definable output, but if your work delivers an output or objective associated with a project, Belt tracks this as a deliverable. A deliverable might be a tangible item like a report, document, video, or structure. Or it might be the outcome of a process, such as approval or certification. Deliverables can be assigned to one or more owners who are responsible for fulfilling their requirements. So, what do we mean by a project? Well, a project is a piece of work that requires many tasks and often many people to complete, usually over an extended period of time. As your team plans and executes their work, Belt's bottom-up architecture fills out the top-level picture of the project's progress, telling you what's done, what's next, and who's slammed. Some industries might use different terms for projects, such as matter, engagement, or deal. But no matter what terminology you use, Belt provides visibility, insights, and tracking to support your project work, and integrates with your project management tools. Belt allows you to break up your project into phases, each with its own set of deliverables, milestones, and deadlines. And whenever you schedule a task or event in Belt, you can associate it with the project as a whole or with a specific deliverable. This way, project managers can track completed and upcoming work from across the project team, getting a clear picture of the project's status, and access to data that can be used for progress reports, billing, planning, and evaluation. Our tip for getting the most out of Belt? Keep doing what you were doing, and let us handle the admin of planning, tracking, and reporting. Manage work your way with Belt.